Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we are going to see the bidding commission report, how it will work. So while doing the auction, if I go to the group management, plan auction and price bid, here the price member will get the price and company will get the commission. So where we can check this report. So from the ledger, I will go to the add to favorite, and here we need to add. So here I will select the bidding commission credit. This is the company's direct income and just click to add. Now I will go to the business summary account statement, and here if I just select the date and select the bidding commission, so we need to select the bidding commission ledger and just refresh. So here you can see the report that commissions received from group 5. Yeah, you can see the details in every group which company will get company got the commission. So from the trial balance also, here if I select one date and just click refresh, here also bidding commission, you can click here and it will show the detailed report. So thank you friends for watching this video. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.